All right, hello everyone. I'm doing 4 boxes of 2017 Contenders football. This is on eBay. All right. It's everyone in the break, the teams you won. All right, it's 18 of you here tonight. 10:03 p.m., January 4th, Eastern Time. And here we go. First box. Good luck, everyone. 5 autos per box. Some of them carry 6. So hopefully we'll get to see that too. The more autos, the better. Alright guys, good luck. Gotta load this a bit. Carson Wentz, Andy Dalton, James Conner, the Steelers, rookie variation RPS, Matt Ryan, Eddie Lacy, Kid Reporter. Alright, Stephon Diggs, Jordan Matthews, legendary Steve Young, not numbered, Cam, Trevor, Reporter, NFL Shop. Brandon Cooks, Brian Hoyer, legendary Favre, Blunt, Green. Palmer, Breeze, Sidney Jones, Kevin Kings, Ramsey, Elliott, Miller, Gordon, Ingram and Howard, Gillespie, Hyde, Thomas, Murray, Josh Woodrum for the Ravens. No idea who he is. Like this, a couple of these no names, low picks going to show up. McCown, Wilson, Reporter. Eli, Flacco, Rookie of the Year, Kareem Hunt, Luck, Lynch. Glennon, Fitzgerald, Rookie of the Year, Howard, J.J. Watt, Hunter Henry. Thomas, Tariq, Victor Bolden Jr. for the Niners. Stafford, Jeffrey, Reporter. Suggs, Gronk. Team Quad, Titans, Davis, Decker, Mariota, Murray. Vinatieri, Mack. Howard, Marshall, MVP, Julio Jones, Corey Coleman, Julio Jones. Woods, Evans, Rookie of the Year. Williams, Jordy Nelson, Tyrod Taylor. Rivers, Cutler, Auto, Nazir Jones for the Seahawks. Le'Veon, Kelvin, Porter. David Johnson, Peterson, Henderson, Taylor, Charles, Hearns, Adams, McCoy, Rookie of the Year, Davis, Crowell, Freeman. Brown, Olsen, Gallman, and Perrine. Baldwin, Bortles. Miller, Mariota. We got a McCowan out of 99. 85 out of 99 for the Jets. Hill, Curse. Smith, Alvin Kamara, numbered, Rookie of the Year, 121 out of 199. Eli, MVP. Bryant's, Bradford, reporter. Walker, Beckham, Cousins, MVP. Rawls, Hilton. Witten, Murray, J.J. Watt, MVP. Garcon, Hopkins. Allen, Brady, Amir Abdullah auto on card. Numbered. Cooper, Rogers, reporter. It's the veteran. Ajay, Kelsey, Russell Wilson, MVP. Carr, Abdullah, reporter. Winston, Miller, Rookie of the Year. Tariq Cohen, Cousins, Garrett. And the last pack. Gurley, Jackson, Rookie of the Year. Perrine, Crowder, Roethlisberger. All right, box number 2. Laundry, Goff, Hunt, Taylor, Bell. Prescott, Adams, auto, Marshawn Lattimore, rookie, 31 out of 99 for the Saints. 31 out of 99. Right? 31? Yeah, 31. Benjamin Charles, reporter. Lattimore, that guy caught the interception with his butt, right? That's the guy. Marshall, Suggs, Jones, MVP, Bortles, Hill. McCoy, Brown, Jim Otto, legendary. Hearns, Bryant. Gronk, Woods, Brian Hoyer, cracked ice out of 25. 10 out of 25. Curse, Garcon. Evans, Rivers. Same quad for the Titans before. Hopkins and Carr. Yeah, I know. Definitely the wrong Niner. Olsen, Miller. Team quad of Newton, McCaffrey, Benjamin, and Kuechly. Bradford, Rawls. Cutler, Johnson, Rookie of the Year. Mike Williams, Abdullah, Cousins. Adrian Peterson, Smith, Henderson, Taylor. If I get like multiples of this, I'm just going to split it with the teams. The other ones I'll random. Garrett, Ryan, NFL Shop. Meaning if it's two of the same, then one team gets it and the other team. If there's three, then I'll random off the other one. Mariota, Winton, Galloway, Rookie of the Year. Hilton, Cooper. Murray, Ajay. Shaquille Griffin. This is at a 43 out of 49 for the Seahawks. Rogers, Crowder, Reporter. Walker, Beckham, Kenny Galladay on card, rookie order for the Lions. Lacey Blount. Allen, Brady, Eli, Green, Gillespie. Winston, Kelsey, got a Webb and Beathard. Roethlisberger and Newton. Miller, Rookie of the Year out of 25. Cooper Kupp, 23 out of 25. Rams. Rivers, Simeon, Ramsey, Porter. Gurley, Jackson, Cousins, MVP, Hyde, Watts. Wentz, Dalton, Howard, Elliott, McCown. Diggs, Matthews, Perrine, Hunter, Stafford. Palmer, Breeze, another Seahawk, Chris Carson. It's the third Seahawk. Jeffrey Coleman. Cooks, Hoyer, another redemption. David Njoku. Rookie ticket. Wilson, Luck. Thomas, Murray, Steve Young, Jones, Vinatieri. Miller, Gordon, Mixon, Rookie of the Year. Lynch, Jones Jr. Glennon, Fitzgerald, Page, Kelly, Crowell. Manning, Flacco, Sidney Jones, Kevin King, Mac Nelson, Reporter. All right, box number 3. Something nice. Winston, Kelsey, Cook and Mixon, Lynch, Jones Jr., Porter, and NFL. Dell, Buck Allen, Sheenan and Everett, Jeffrey Coleman, Miller and Gerard Evans for the Eagles. Not numbered. Big Ben, Kelly Crowell. Brady, Gurley, McCoy, Julio Jones, Vinatieri. Wentz, Dalton, Alex Anzalone, Saints, Freeman, Baldwin, Jackson, Diggs, Wentz, Mack, Nelson. Cooks, Hoyer, Brown, Bortles, Hill. Matthews, Palmer, Jalen Myrick for the Jaguars. Taylor, Bell, Porter. Breeze, Thomas, Dalvin Cook rookie, Benjamin, Charles. We got Lamar Miller, Melvin Gordon, rookie, Mahomes, Curse, Garcon. Flacco, Landry, Foreman and Hunt, Bradford, Rawls, Goff, Prescott, Curtis Samuel. This is rookie on card for the Panthers. Hilton, Cooper. Murray, Manning, Calvin Johnson, legend, Hearns, Bryant. Howard, Marshall, Mack, Abdullah, Cousins. Adams, McCoy, Rookie of the Year, Christian McCaffrey, Rogers, Crowder. Suggs, Gronk, Marvin Jones, 132 out of 249. Garrett, Ryan. Brown, Emmitt Smith, this is out of 199, 33 out of 199, legendary. Mike Vick, Rot, Cam. Olsen, Miller, team quads for the Patriots, Brady, Gronk, White and Cooks. Simeon, Ramsey. Woods, Evans, Beckham MVP, Lacey Blount. Mariota, Winton, Auto, Chad Kelly, 19 out of 49. Looks pretty out of shape there. I don't think you'll see this guy play. Elliott, McCown. Rivers, Cutler. Team Quad Raiders. Carl, Lynch, Cooper, and Mack. Green, Gillespie. Murray, Ajay, Rookie of the Year. Kamara, Wilson, Luck. Johnson, Peterson, Wayne Gallman, Rookie of the Year for the J-Man. Carlos Hyde, J.J. Watt. Smith, Walker, Jeremy McNichols for the Buccaneers, 27 out of 99. 27 out of 99. Hunter Henry, Stafford, Porter. All right, last box. I'll do the random for that at the end. If you want to stick around, there's a bunch of duels there. All right, hopefully the last box will be the best box. Kelsey, Miller, Beathard and Webb, Nelson, Taylor, Manning, Flacco, Young Legends, Cousins, Garrett, Landry. This is numbered. Zay Jones and Curtis Samuel, 41 out of 199. Sidney Jones and Kevin King. Matt Ryan, Eddie Lacy. Wentz, Dalton, Phillip Rivers, Le'Veon Bell, Kevin Benjamin. Goff, Prescott, Hoyer, 16 out of 249, another one of him. Eagles, Green. Cooks, Hoyer. Another Saint, Taysom Hill. He's in a Packers uniform, but it goes to the Saints. I don't know if it even matters, but this is a Saints card. Charles Hearns, reporter. Gurley, Jackson, Manning, Baldwin, Bortles. Howard, Marshall, Taco Charlton. He has some potential. Taco Charlton for the Dallas. Crowder, Roethlisberger. Suggs, Gronk, Samuel Jones, Newton, Simeon. Diggs, Matthews, Cousins, Hill, Curse. Palmer, Breeze, Niner, Kendrick Bourne, Garcon, Hopkins. Woods, Evans, Rookie of the Year, Mack, Ramsey, Elliott. Thomas, Murray, Pergine, Carr, Abdullah. Rivers, Cutler, Beckham, McCown, Wilson. Johnson, Peterson, Vince Beagle, Packers. Luck Lynch. Man, most of these names I have no idea who they are. Adams, McCoy, Hunt, Gillespie, Hyde. Smith, Walker. Team quad for the Raiders. Jones Jr., Kelly. Miller, Gordon. Jordan Howard, MVP. Bryant, Bradford. Brown, Olsen, Jim Otto, Watt, Henry. Miller, Mariota. Team quad for the Panthers. Stafford, Jeffrey. Winton, Murray, and we finally got a nice hit, and it's for the Saints. Alvin Kamara on card rookie auto. This is the Saint that we were looking for. Alvin Kamara, not numbered, on card auto. Coleman, Jones, reporter. At least we got one guy, pretty decent. Pretty decent, probably. I'd say rookie of the year. Glennon, Fitzgerald, Mixon, Rawls, Hilton. Thomas, Hill, Alan Page, Cooper, Rogers, and the last pack. Ajay, Winston, Rookie of the Year, Galloway, Vinatieri, and Mack, and that does it. All right, guys, thank you very much. At least we got a decent order for the last box. I'll get these cards shipped out either by Saturday, most likely Monday. We got a lot of bad weather here in the Northeast, and I'm just a little busy sorting and everything. But by Monday, it should be in the post office. I'm going to do the randoms now. I got a bunch of these. I'm going to see for some duels. The Jones and the Salmon, one's numbered, so I'll random that, and then the loser of the first one will get the other card. But like I said, if there's duels here, I'm going to split it instead of randoming all of them, which makes no sense. So the Webb and the B-Third get a split. I get Kevin King and Sidney Jones get a split. Perrine and Gallman, no. Henderson and Taylor get a split. Ingram and Howard, no. Jones and King. So there's a third one, I'll random that off, right? Yeah, okay. Alright. You can hang around. I'll upload the video once I do this random here. Let me just set it up. All right, we're going to do the numbered Samuel and Jones, 41 out of 199. So you go Panthers and Bills. 7 times, team on top gets it, and then the other team will get the unnumbered one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Panthers. The Panthers get it. So the Panthers get the numbered, and the Bills will get the unnumbered. Make sure I get this right. All right, we're gonna do O.J. Howard, Evan Engram. All right, O.J. Howard, Evan Engram. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Final time. Giants. The Giants get it. Bears and Rams. Shaheen and Everett. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Final time. Rams. The Rams get it. All right, Eagles and Packers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Final time. Packers. The Packers get this one. All right, Dalvin Cook and the Joe Mixon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Final time. Vikings. Perrine and Gallman. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Redskins. And the Hunt and Foreman. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Final time. Texans. All right, guys, that does it. Thanks again for joining. Again, I'll try to get this card shipped out by Saturday, if not Monday for sure. Thanks, and have a great night. Take care.